Oh yeah, that's so cool!
Awesome! I love my bike. Yes.
Yes, I would! Hey, what's that sound?
Huh?
Hey, Alex is biking!
Cool.
I want to ride a bike too! Let's drive the car! The battery's not working! Oh no, battery! Let's try another car.
Whoa.
Cool.
Super truck. Huh? It doesn't even start. Old school horse. Let's start it best. Huh? What's wrong, horsey? Are you hungry, horse? He doesn't want to eat. Now what should I play with?
La 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 la. Hi, Jason.
Hi. Whoa, that's a cool bike. I want it.
La, la.
Alex, can't play on the bike.
What?
I want to play your bike too.
Sure. But wait. Do you even know how to ride a bike?
No, I don't. Can you teach me, please?
Okay. Lesson number 1. Always wear a helmet. There you go. Lesson 2. Sit on a bike and keep your balance. Step 3. Ride the bike, but don't fall. Ah, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Woo. Step 4. Now bike on your own.
Yeah, I'm biking myself.
Step 5. Complete the circuit. Are you ready, Jason?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, you can do it! Come on, you can do it!